Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so tough. Baby, do you know love? We know you say you do.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming back to check out my channel. I am Jess the Dragoness and I'm so happy you are here. Today we are going to do a synthetic wig review, and this wig was sent to me by Glamourtress, so thank you so much Glamourtress for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright you guys, so this wig is from Zury. It's a part of their Prime collection. Soon as I see this purple glittery box, I get so excited because one of my favorite of all time Zury wigs is a part of the Prime collection. And I just know when I see this box, it's about to be lit, y'all. So let's see what we have today. Today's wig is LFP lace braided, and I do have her in orange copper. This is a 13 by 4 ear to ear free parting, and it is hand tied lace. Wow, get into this color, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I am so ready for the summertime. In the summer, I just go stupid when it comes to color. Like, I just need more and more color in the summertime. And to be real, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. Copper hair and orange hair is like all the rage right now. But I promise you, I'd be so ahead of the game. I had orange hair literally like a year and a half ago, before it was popular. Like when people would be looking at you crazy if you had colorful hair. That's when I was wearing orange hair. Like y'all can even look back on my YouTube channel. I dare y'all go back and check out that video where I had that orange lace front wig on. Yeah, I was doing it back then. But anyway, yes, orange is very popular right now. Everybody likes to call it copper, but these wigs be straight up orange. I don't know where people are getting this copper from. But this unit looks like it already has baby hairs. I can already see that this is a lot of baby hairs, you guys, and it's like thick baby hairs, so I'm not really sure what the tea is with that. But if you do rock these baby hairs, I'm gonna need you to definitely like thin them out. Please do not rock them like that. So yeah, this unit does have the lace frontal, so you have all of this space here. You have your 2 combs on the side, your 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and yeah, it's not a full lace wig. It does have tracks in the back and no dark roots. It's just all color everywhere, which is cool with me. Let's look at the stock card. So it is a lightly wavy unit. Shows her with it with a ponytail, side part, middle part, all that good stuff. For those of you guys that have been watching me long enough to know, you know I don't really care for parting and parts and, you know, stuff like that. Even in my own natural hair, I never wear my hair with a part. I don't care for it at all. I like my hair to look very like messy and just disheveled. I like that look, unless it's a style that's meant to be very clean, like my box braids. Oh yeah, those are going to be super clean and neat. Cornrows, stuff like that. Yes, I like those styles extremely neat. But when it comes to just like lace front wigs and rocking my own hair, I will just wear my hair blow dried out and just flipped over. Like, now normally I would go in and add my foundation in here so that the wig is the same, the lace is the same color as my own skin. But I'm gonna try it first without the foundation. If I really need it, then I'll go ahead and add it. But this this wig cap may be enough to get me where I need to go. But we shall see. So it is fitting my hairline like perfectly. Is legit fitting my hairline perfectly. But I definitely have a medium sized head. I don't have a small head, but I have a medium sized head. Let's see. If your head is bigger than mine, you could make it work, but I feel like it would probably not stretch around the front of your hairline enough if you have a bigger size head. So I like these waves. These waves are like messy, cute. That's cool. Let's see how the cap is looking. I think the cap honestly looks fine. I'm not going to add any powder or foundation to the cap. I think the cap looks pretty daggone good. So I'm gonna just go ahead with my edge control, lay these baby hairs down. So let's go ahead and brush out these waves a little bit with making sure your edges stay where they need to go. Now, if I do a part, if I do a part, most of the time it will just be a C-shaped part. C-shaped parting to me always looks best and most realistic. Like this wig, this red robe is not doing it any justice. I need to take this robe off, but I'm literally in like comfort mode right now. I really like this unit. This is cute. It's not giving me any tangles and it's not shedding at the moment either. Let's see how it looks without the part. Just kind of like flipped. This is really an effortless wig. And it has a lot of cute options because of the frontal. And the fact that it's orange is just giving me life right now. And it kind of matches my makeup. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial on this look, definitely let me know, because I did get the palette from Beauty Bakery. I love supporting my Black women-owned businesses, and Beauty Bakery is just that. All of their products are based around like baked goods and bakery. So this one is called Do It for the Gram, and it's based off of graham crackers. Let me show you the different colors in the palette, and then I'll show you the ones that I use. So this is Do It for the Gram palette. The colors that I use today are the brown. I use that in my crease section. I use the orange on my outer V, and I use the gold on my inner right there. And then I use the gold and the orange at the bottom. Those were the two colors that like really jumped out at me. The reason why I really wanted the palette. This color is really pretty. These are pretty too. All the colors in this range I feel like I have already. So these weren't really like anything special for me. But these colors and these colors really got me excited. So that's why I wanted the palette. And I wanted to support. I really like this wig, you guys. I'm trying to think of what downsides I could see for this wig. I'm not really seeing any right now. I like the length. I like the texture. I like the waves. It's very like effortless. I love the color. I love that it doesn't have dark roots. I love that it's just all one color all throughout. This wig is easy to slay. It already has the baby hairs on it, and it fits my head perfectly. I guess the only downside, but not for me, is that it's not necessarily like a big head friendly wig. But you know, you can always just cut it open in the back to give you a little more space and just widen the wig that way. So alright, you guys, I hope you like this video. I'm going to change my shirt so that you guys can see this without the interference of this red, because I feel like this red is really throwing it off. And yeah, if you guys have questions for me, leave it in the comment section down below. And make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos, because they are so good.
Girl, you're sweet, but your love is so rough. Skin so soft, but your love is so